crafters. Welcome back to my channel, Margaret Now Designs. And I am coming to you today to talk about my design team package for April, May-ish, and what I'm going to get started on. So what I'm doing here for this video is I'm going to go through my design team package of other papers that I am going to be doing a project on, and then I will have another video coming up soon that will talk about the Country Craft Creations papers or collections that I will be working with and tell you a little bit about what I'm thinking about doing with those. And then I actually have a craft haul of my own that I will share with you as well. So lots of shopping, and some is spending, some is not spending, because this is all a part of my design team package and I'm very excited about it. This is the collection that I got. It's called Farmhouse Summer and it's by Carta. And as you can see, it's got a lot of vintage items on here. But one of the things that is really nice about it is that it's nice bright light colors. Even though I love the distressed and vintage look of collections, this has got a nice bright look, and I'm excited about the accessories and things that go with it. So let's get started. Let's hop right in. And you know you're going to see this truck in there somewhere, and I love that color of that truck. So starting off, this is one of the sheets. There is, oh, I guess I should tell you, in this collection there is 12 double-sided textured papers and one 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So that's going to be coming with the collection. So this is one of the, and then this is the B side of that collection. And this one is called Farmhouse Garden. The other thing that I really like about this is the blues and the greens and, you know, just the really vintage type items in here. So this one is the 4x3 cut aparts, and then this really great buffalo check in the back. And this one is labeled as the 3x4 journaling cards. Oh, look at this. Isn't this just gorgeous? Really a beautiful plaid as well. And then on the other side are these florals. And look how nice, you know, this, how do I do that? It's not an easy way to do it. But like, look at that with itself. It's just beautiful. Or if you do it with these colors, look how nice that looks together. Really nice. So this one is labeled as Perfect Day Plaid. Just love the florals in there. And then we're going to a little bit of a brighter page, which would look nice with like the back of that other page that we were just looking at. And this one also has a buffalo check in the back, which it's called Fresh Picks. And then we've got our 4x4 journaling cards. There's no place like home, home sweet home. Let's gather together. Bless this house. And then on the back is this really nice monochromatic page, which this sheet is just called the 4x4 journaling cards. But how nice this will go or complement with some of the other pages. And now I have to say this is probably one of my favorite patterns because of the purple. I don't know if it's just me or what, but recently over the last year, I have just been in love with purple, and the deeper the purple, the better. Just really enjoying it. And there's even some kind of pinky peach in there as well. And this one is called Blessed Blooms, and a really nice plaid on the back of there. And this plaid is great because it really picks up a lot of the different colors and should blend really well with everything. And then there's a quieter page back here that's called Farmhouse Plaid. So this would be our Farmhouse Plaid, and how nice that would work with the blues. Now I don't see any purples in here. I'm just curious. I wouldn't put those two together, but well, I guess it's almost a bluey purple. To think about that one. And then this is a really neat page of cut aparts. I really enjoy this page because it has some sentiments down here. It has different size cards in here, over here different sized. And then this is great. I love this. I love this stand. And the best days are happening right now. And then I think these little tickets will look really cute. They could even be cut out so that they fold in half and you can journal in the back of that or inside it. And then on the back of here, we've got this beautiful floral that again has that bluey purple in it. And this is called multi-journaling cards, this piece. I really like this. And I'm not always a big fan of the multi-sized cut aparts, but that one I really like. I think it's because I like the patterns of it. And then this is a pretty simple looking pattern paper. And on the back of here, it's called Simple Summer Flower. And that's from that one. But this is kind of a, it's almost like a gray green, like a deep gray green with little checks on it. And then we've got these tags. I wonder what's on the back of here. Well, I'm happy about that because I'm not a huge fan of these tag pages because I don't really need that many tags. And this might be nice for what I'm planning on for my book. I'll tell you about that in a little bit. This one is called Farm Tags. And then we've got this really neat blue, light blue, and barns all over that with a really neat green plaid on the back. And this is called Farmhouses. Farmhouses on that side. And then we have here the 4x6 journaling, or yeah, the cards. Actually really nice cards. I like this chicken wire, live in the moment, welcome. What is that? Oh, life is better when we are all gathered together. I always take the time to be together as a family. And actually on the back of here, this is really neat. I love these barn doors. Isn't it funny how there's things that we just love and other things we just could leave, but there might be even pretty similar? Well, and this one is called 6x4 journaling cards, but I like the back of that. And then we have the sticker sheet, and the sticker sheet is so great. The feel of the stickers is really solid. It feels very firm and, you know, not like a cheap sticker that's going to rip. We've got some tags down here, some sentiments, the farmhouse, some kitchen items, the rocking chair, and our truck, of course, and our windmill, some more banners, barn, another barn down here. And then the florals are really pretty as well on here. Lots of different stickers. And I didn't get the ephemera pack with this collection because there really wasn't any left. But what I did do, and because I'm kind of a spoiled girl on my own, I ordered extra sheets of the collection. So I'll just flip through those really quick. They're all the same. If I'm gonna, you can see which ones. This, I like this blue plaid, so I bought 2 of that extra. And that one. Oops, that's upside down. Or was it? It doesn't matter. So you can see that there's only a couple that I bought really 2 of. Actually, the total count, I got 2 of this. That's because I like this plaid so much. But I also like this green because it's more muted. And I love this floral. So I got 2 of those. And I got 1 more of this. And that's because I want to be able to use this side and possibly these cut aparts. And these barn doors, I got extra 2 of those because I wanted to be able to, again, use the cut aparts and use this other side because I've liked that. And then the tag one, I got an extra one of that because of the different tags. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. And then this one I just got one more of. So, and then with this collection kit, I got the solids. I'm not going to open this, but there is 6 12 by 12 double-sided textured papers to add to that book. And a couple other things that I got to go with this collection is the chipboard phrases. Hope you can see that without. There's again a chicken wire frame, another card or cut apart there. Welcome, home sweet home. The flags come and sit and stay a while. These pretty lavender blue florals. And then I also got this chipboard accents. And, you know, I got this one because of some of the phrases in it and the florals, but I wanted this one because of the truck on it, the rocking chair. There's some banners along here. It's called Bless This House. So that's that. And then I had to buy this die because I figured I could use this for a lot of other items. And so it is appropriately sized for the scrapbook, and I have some silver paper that I can cut that out of, or maybe like a wood grained paper or something like that. But I'm looking forward to working on this project, and one of the things that I'm thinking about doing with this is doing what I would call is a legacy cookbook. And so it's not going to be a cookbook as a tradition that there's going to be a lot of recipes in it. What I'd like to do is kind of do like a heritage cookbook. So Legacy Heritage, similar name, so that I could put a picture of my grandmother in there and then a couple of her recipes. And the original ones, if I have the original ones, I'd like to put those in the recipe book next to her picture. Same thing with my gran from Scotland, a couple of her recipes, whether I have the originals or not. It would just be nice to have some pictures in there. And if we have any others, otherwise, if I can't fill it with my grandmother's, I may end up finishing off the album with a recipe from my sisters and one from me. And then my plans are to keep that recipe book up at the cottage so our family can enjoy the album itself. So this is the first project that I'm going to be working on next as far as other paper. I may slip one of the projects in there from Tamara's, one of her collections. I've got several of them to go through, and I will share with you those very soon. I will get the video done for those collection packs, and you will see that probably this week yet. So thank you so very much. I really appreciate you watching, following, spending time with me. Give me some comments down in the bottom section. You know, do you think that's a good idea to do like a heritage cookbook, or do you have another idea that you think would be great for this? Let me know. Thanks again for spending time with me. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.